In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated GIF using PowerPoint. If you've never tried this before, you might be surprised by how quick and simple it is, and you don't need any extra software. Start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new presentation. Think of each slide as one frame of your animation. For example, if you want an object to move across the screen, you'll make small changes from slide to slide so the motion looks smooth when it plays back. A handy tip here is to design your first slide carefully, then duplicate it and nudge elements slightly on each copy. This keeps everything aligned and speeds up your workflow. Consistent backgrounds, clear contrast, and large readable elements will make your final GIF look cleaner. Keep it simple. Busy slides or tiny text can get lost in the fast-paced GIF format. Once your sequence of slides is ready, head to the File menu and choose Export. You'll see an option called Create an Animated GIF. This tells PowerPoint to package each slide as a frame in your animation. Before you generate the file, you'll be asked to set how long each slide should appear. For most GIFs, fast movement looks best, so a timing of about 0.4 seconds per slide is a great starting point. If you want a moment to linger, like a title at the beginning, you can simply repeat that slide a few times so it effectively stays on screen longer without changing the overall timing. You'll also see quality or size options. Higher quality looks crisper but creates a larger file, while smaller sizes are perfect for quick sharing or email. Choose what fits your needs, then click Create Animated GIF. PowerPoint will generate the file and save it to the location you select. When it's done, open the GIF in your default viewer or a web browser to preview the animation. If it feels too fast or too slow, go back, adjust the timing, or duplicate a few frames, and export again. Iterating once or twice is normal to get the motion just right. Give this a try using the desktop version of PowerPoint for the smoothest experience. It's a straightforward workflow that turns your slides into a shareable, looping animation you can post on social media, embed in emails, or add to presentations. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your first PowerPoint GIF.